A good tool to know how to use in PowerPoint is the cropping tool. So here I've got an image that I captured, except I have too much stuff, let's say, and I want to cut some of this out. So if I right click on the image and I select crop, I get these little black lines. One there, one there, one there, one there. And I drag those and it will do that. So what this is showing me is that this part is going to be cut off, the part that's gray. Or if I drag this one, or if I drag this one. Okay, so what this is showing me is that I'm going to cut out all the stuff on the side and leave the part in the middle. And when I get it the way I want it, I click outside the image, outside the gray part, and then does that. Okay, so now this is my new image, and then I can move it around and change the size and whatever I want to do. Now the nice thing about the cropping tool is that it allows you to go back and change your mind. So later, if I decide, you know what, I cut out too much, I can right click, crop, see, and it remembers what used to be there. So now I can say, no, I need a little bit more up here. Click outside the gray, outside the image. There's my new image. Okay, cropping tool, super useful to know.